National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 33, effective until 4 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma.
Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes. Yes. Severe thunderstorm watch for my county. Yes. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah, look at that. Alright, guys.